Hey everybody, it's Stephanie Mitchell with Lasting Order, and I wanted to give you some tips today on organizing the outdoor shed. Now, some of you may see this scenario behind me and think, oh my God, where do I start? But to me, it's just a fun opportunity. So I'm going to share my weird way of thinking, and hopefully it will help you get started on your shed or give you an idea on how to start organizing projects around your house. So what I would start with first is just pulling everything out and starting and organizing it by piles of things that are the same. So this client has a pool, so they have pool floats and pool accessories. There's also gardening equipment in the back, and other things too on the shelving unit as well. So I would definitely recommend getting another set of shelves in here because there's a lot of items that are still on the ground, and that kind of limits your ease of access to things. So definitely recommend getting another 6-foot shelf to use, and then also getting some clear storage containers to kind of categorize all the items and get them up on the shelves into appropriate bins. Now, of course, there's a lot more to do here than just bins and shelves, but that is a good way to get started, and I'd love to share more later on once we get a little further in this project. So if you enjoyed what you see here and you need some help with your stuff, feel free to give us a call, 812-858-2457. Again, Lasting Order, we can help.